from South Thames Gas. I'm going to show you how to fill a boiler via a filling loop. Make sure that no one's using the hot water or heating. As you can see, the gauge is on 0. This filling loop has got one valve, some have 2. So I'm just going to show you how to fill it. What you do, gingerly turn it upwards. It's from 3 p.m. back to say 2 p.m. Don't open the valve fully because you don't overfill it. And I'm going to fill it up to 1 millibar. As you can see, it's going up slowly, it's half a bar. You can normally fill it to 1.5, but I always fill it to 1 millibar. Just waiting for it to go up, it's going up slowly. Because I've just cracked the valve, I didn't open it fully, so otherwise it'd go up quicker. And then turn the valve back clockwise to say 3 p.m. That's how it's angled. And then use the hot water and heating as normal. In some cases you might have to vent the radiators and then fill it back up again. But that's how you fill up a boiler via a filling loop.